Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho CRM duplicate rule and merge leads step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Scroll down and select Data Administration from the options available. Click on Duplicate Management from the Data Administration submenu. In the Duplicate Management screen, click on Duplicate Rules. Now, select the Create Rule button to start a new duplicate rule. Enter a name for your duplicate rule in the designated field. Choose the module for which you want to create the duplicate rule, in this case, select Leads. You can select specific fields such as email, phone number, or name for comparison. Once you have set your criteria, click on Save to create the rule. Your new duplicate rule will now appear in the list of existing rules. To activate the duplicate rule, toggle the active switch to the on position. Next, return to the main dashboard and go to the Leads module. Here, you will see an option for Merge Leads at the top of the Leads list. Select this option to begin the merging process. The system will automatically identify potential duplicates based on your activated rules. Review the suggested duplicates listed by the system. Select the leads you want to merge by checking the corresponding boxes. Once you have selected the leads, click on the Merge button. A confirmation window will appear to ensure you want to proceed with the merge. Click on Confirm to finalize the merging of the selected leads. The system will merge the leads into a single lead record based on your preferences. Once complete, you will see a confirmation message indicating the successful merge. You can now review the merged lead to verify all information is correctly consolidated. You have successfully activated the duplicate rule and merged leads in Zoho CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.